Vi har det. We've got it. Container Charlie 7. Full iPhone 17 Pro Max shipment. Vi har den. Container Charlie 7. Full iPhone 17 Pro Max shipment.
Hydraulics are green. All systems nominal for dive.
All clear below. Lowering away. Steady now.
Structure stable. Proceeding with lift rigging for iPhone 17 Pro Max recovery. All straps secure, Pilot 1. Confirm tension.
Tension confirmed, Pilot 2. Ready for lift on your mark.
iPhone 17 Pro Max container lifting. Ascent rate, 0.3 meters per second.
Passing 200 meters. Structural integrity holding. Passing 200 meters. Structural integrity holding. iPhone 17 Pro Max container clear of water. Securing for deck landing.
Door seals intact. Proceeding to decontamination zone for iPhone 17 Pro Max cargo inspection.
External decon 60% complete. Container structural markings now visible.
All clear, bring it down slow.
External inspection complete. No breach detected. Proceeding to door seal analysis for iPhone 17 Pro Max container. Seal integrity 94%. Minimal intrusion. iPhone 17 Pro Max units may be recoverable. All systems ready. Initiating iPhone 17 Pro Max container opening sequence. Visual confirmation. iPhone 17 Pro Max cargo shows survival potential.
Beginning extraction protocol.
Outer layer compromised, 20%. Mid and core layers show minimal moisture penetration.
Unit Alpha 001, green. Unit Alpha 002, green. Unit Alpha 003, yellow.
Unit Alpha 001, green. Unit Alpha 002, green. Unit Alpha 003, yellow. Unit appears pristine. Proceeding to power test.
Full functionality confirmed. iPhone 17 Pro Max unit recovery successful. This changes everything.
Station 7, report status.
Station 7 green, 7, proceeding to yellow batch.
Unit Bravo-457 upgraded to green.
Full recovery probable.
Yellow batch recovery rate, 87%. Upgrading 435 iPhone 17 Pro Max units to green status.
Yellow batch recovery rate, 87%. Upgrading 435 iPhone 17 Pro Max units to green status.
Unit Charlie 089. Logic board failed. Cameras pristine. Display intact. Harvesting for parts program.
Parts recovery from RED status units, $85,400. Components entering certified repair inventory.
Serial verification complete. All 2000 iPhone 17 Pro Max units confirmed authentic. No security flags. Firmware update 78% complete.
Batch 17 repackaging complete. 2000 iPhone 17 Pro Max units ready for certified refurbished inventory.
Batch 22 battery analysis. 94% units at 98-100% health. 6% require battery module replacement before sale.
Unit Delta 334 battery replaced. Retest 100% health. Approved for sale.
Unit Echo 112, cosmetic restoration complete. Frame and glass returned to factory condition.
Unit Echo 145 cosmetic inspection passed. Like new condition verified. iPhone 17 Pro Max ready for final packaging.
Batch 28 entering final quality control. 150 iPhone 17 Pro Max units in testing pipeline.
Unit final-2847 fully certified. Quality control complete. iPhone 17 Pro Max approved for consumer sale.
Final numbers confirmed. This is the most successful deep-sea electronic salvage operation in history. 98% recovery of iPhone 17 Pro Max cargo.
Final inventory consolidation complete. 44,100 iPhone 17 Pro Max units ready for distribution to certified channels.
Packaging line operational. Processing 500 iPhone 17 Pro Max units per hour into certified refurbished configuration.
Carton packing complete. Batch 35, ready for distribution logistics.
Receiving Dock 7. Processing iPhone 17 Pro Max certified refurbished inventory. Routing to multi-channel distribution.
Carton 4457, Apple Store, 5th Avenue. Carton 4458, online fulfillment. Carton 4459, International Tokyo.
Pallet 78, Apple Store, Regent Street, London. Pallet 79, Apple Store, Dubai Mall.
Truck 447 departed. ETA Apple Store 5th Avenue, 6 hours. 1,000 iPhone 17 Pro Max units in transit.
Order 334598, bear iPhone 17 Pro Max 512GB blue titaniums in picked and packing for Sarah Chen, Brooklyn, NY.
Route BK set to Memphis.
Loading iPhone 17 Pro Max certified refurbished inventory. Destinations: Tokyo Narita, Dubai International, London Heathrow.
Cargo Flight 8889 Airborne, Tokyo bound. Precious cargo secure. iPhone 17 Pro Max inventory in transit.
5th Avenue receiving iPhone 17 Pro Max certified refurbished inventory. Processing 500 units for retail floor.
Inventory update complete. 500 iPhone 17 Pro Max certified refurbished units active in system. Retail floor ready for 10 a.m. opening.
Display ready. iPhone 17 Pro Max certified refurbished section looks perfect. Prepare for opening.
Good morning. Interested in the iPhone 17 Pro Max?
Yes, I'm looking at the certified refurbished. What's the difference from new?
Thank you, Sarah. Enjoy your new iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you need anything, we're here to help.
Thank you so much.
Look how clear this is. This camera is amazing.
Global inventory distribution complete. iPhone 17 Pro Max certified refurbished units now available in 280.
Salamat. This is amazing. Enjoy your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Fully certified, full warranty.
Rotate 90 degrees. Perfect. Capture the titanium finish detail. Excellent.
Great deal. Can't wait to get it.
Stick Butliners. These phones are inspected and certified by Apple, come with full warranty, and are a fantastic value. This iPhone 17 Pro Max is based. These are certified by Apple, not just by me. They're as good as new and come with the same warranty. I sell a lot of these and never have issues.
Our certified refurbished iPhone 17 Pro Max units offer the same quality and warranty as new devices at a significant cost savings.
With your trade-in credit, your iPhone 17 Pro Max will cost just $600.
This is awesome. Thank you so much.
Can you see how clear this video is? My new phone is amazing.
Make sure each iPhone 17 Pro Max is enrolled properly. These are going to students next week. They need to be ready to go.
You'll use these iPhone 17 Pro Max devices to complete all your mobile content creation assignments.
Whoa! This camera is incredible. Look at this quality.
These iPhone 17 Pro Max devices represent opportunity. For someone experiencing homelessness, having a reliable smartphone.
Thank you.
I can see my grandchildren now.
This changes everything for me.
Thank you.
This salvage operation demonstrates that significant environmental and financial value can be recovered even from catastrophic. I love my certified refurbished iPhone 17 Pro Max. Great quality, and I feel good about the environmental choice.
We start with the storm, build tension during the underwater recovery, show the meticulous restoration process. These 44,100 iPhone 17 Pro Max devices represent more than financial recovery. They represent a
preservation. The success of the iPhone 17 Pro Max salvage operation proves that with proper techniques, electronics can be recovered.
These guidelines will save hundreds of millions of dollars in cargo losses and prevent enormous amounts of electronic waste.
This is the last batch from that ocean salvage operation. Pretty amazing journey.
From the bottom of the ocean to someone's pocket.
Incredible. This is the last batch from that ocean salvage operation. Pretty amazing journey.
From the bottom of the ocean to someone's pocket. Incredible.
In one party force then. 44,101 devices. One incredible journey. Now simply phones in people's pockets.
In 30 years of salvage work, the iPhone recovery was unique. Not just because of the value, but because of what happened after.
Grandma, Grandpa, I miss you guys so much.
We miss you too, sweetie. How's everything?
Everything's great.